In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use American Express gift card online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily use any gift card from American Express on online stores, retailers, and services. So you will be able to follow these steps that I'm going to showcase on any website or online service that accepts the gift cards as a payment option. A disclaimer that I have to make is that most of the time, if a website accepts standard credit or debit cards, you should be able to use the American Express gift cards as well. But in the recent years, this list of online services or retailers that accept American Express gift cards has been shrinking, so keep that in mind. Just follow my steps, but if you get a message or an error telling you that the gift card cannot be used because it is not valid, then that means that you will not be able to use it for the specific store that you selected. For the example in this video, I chose to show you how to use the gift card on the Zara website. So you will be able to go over to the respective service or store that you would like to use the American Express gift card on and proceed to checkout. For most of them, all that you have to do is add the items to your cart, and once you reach checkout, you will include the shipping options if necessary, you will include your contact information, and you reach the payment method window, you should be able to choose American Express. For Zara specifically, it is going to be one of the default options. By selecting American Express, you can proceed, and you will be able to include the card number, expiration date, the cardholder's name, and the security code at the back. So as soon as you include all of these details, you will be able to use the American Express gift card online on Zara. Like I said multiple times, you just have to follow these exact steps or any other online store, retailer, or service. And if the gift card is accepted as a valid payment option, the order will go through without any issues. But if you get any sort of error message or you are told that the card is not valid, then unfortunately there is no known workaround to this. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the American Express gift card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.